Hi everyone, today we will see how you can create your first backend server with Node.js. Let's start. First, download and install Node.js software from the official Node.js website and install it. Installation is very simple, and like other typical installations. After installing the Node software, open Visual Studio Code and open the project folder inside Visual Studio Code. From the Terminal menu, select New Terminal. Type npm-init to initialize npm support for our project. We need npm to install Node packages to our projects. After initializing the npm, let's install Express for our middleware. You will find all the information related to Express in the npmjs.com website. Please read the documentation to understand the functionality of Express in Node.js. We will install Express in our project with npm express command. Edit the package.json file, which was created while initializing the project with Node, and set the type to module. Create a new file called index.js. In the index.js file, first import the Express module and declare the module as app. Set a port address on which we want our server will run its service. Now set the app to listen on that particular port. Check the server by using node index.js command. The server is running fine. No error was found. Now we will set a route for our server. We will use the file which we created in our last video. Let's copy the HTML file to our project folder. Any HTML file will do if you do not have the HTML file from the last video. We will respond with the send file module to route the home page to the HTML file. Remember, you have to use the absolute path of the HTML file here. After setting the GET response, run the server again with the node command. Let's check the site. Remember, our server is running on port 8000? Yes, we have successfully created our own backend server powered by Node.js and Express. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new today. In our next video, we will talk about EJS template.